What's up, Tumbler pizza fans? Today I will be making the super stacked, super supreme, super pizza exclusively sold at Superstore. So let's get it onto our cookie sheet. My oven is preheating to 425. I moved my rack down to the very bottom. We're only going to be cooking one pizza at a time. It will go off your cookie sheet a little bit, and that is okay. We will check on it while it's cooking. So once we get it into the oven, you can turn on your oven light and take a look and see if there's any bubbles forming. You can take a knife and give it a little pop, but do not open the oven door, especially for this big pizza. Just keep looking at it. So let's get it in there and get it cooking. I got my frozen pizza in the oven because you always cook from frozen. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for the 35 minutes. You may have to cook it longer. That meat will give off a lot of juices, so it's totally up to you for how long you wanna cook it. Follow the box instructions and make sure you broil it. So let's get into it. So I left my pizza to keep cooking because it didn't look like it was getting stuck on the pan, but I do like to give it a rotate. This is what my pizza looks like with 8 minutes left. I will be adding some more time on it, so I'll let you know at the end. I'm just gonna take some paper towel and get rid of some of this juices. I added 10 minutes to my cook time. I am gonna cook for another 10 minutes because I know how these pizzas work. We have cooked for 55 minutes. We are now gonna broil for 2 minutes. So I broiled my pizza for almost 3 minutes just to give it a little extra crisp on the top. I did have to get rid of a few more juices, but this pizza you can cook from anywhere from 45 minutes to 55, you know, depending how much you like it crunchy, but just cut it into the tumbler squares, right? That's just the way to get her done. Cheers to Tumblers pizza. Sauce is boss.